In nearly every company, IT suffers from a bad rap, which is far more dangerous than it sounds. No matter how hard IT tries, employees still view going to IT as a last resort, a necessary evil, and a dreaded call to make. In today's enterprise, companies don't just need IT to be frantic firefighters keeping the lights on. They need IT to deliver serious value and innovation. The simple fact is there's a damaging disconnect between IT and the business. While IT is great at running IT, we have a hard time really understanding the business. But it's not just IT's fault. The business also has a hard time explaining to IT what it needs. The result of this damaging disconnect is a bad experience all around. IT feels a lack of respect from the business, while the business feels IT doesn't understand what they need to do their jobs. There are dozens of IT tools promising to improve IT experience. Why don't they work? Because they don't address the root cause. Before you can deliver an amazing experience, you have to dissolve the disconnect between IT and the business. The reason QSTAC boasts a higher ROI than any other tool is that it wasn't made by consultants outside of IT, but by real IT leaders of real Fortune 500 companies. And because QSTAC was built from the ground up by IT professionals for IT professionals, our next-gen customer success team will make sure you have actionable data populating in minutes, not weeks. In less time than it takes most IT tools to get set up, you'll get your first report with more insights about your IT service, what you can do to improve, and benchmarks so you know where your service stands compared to IT at other companies. Our interface allows anyone on your team to tag, comment, and ideate on feedback. QSTAC gives your frontline technicians a voice to share their unique perspective that rarely makes it up the chain to the strategy table. The result is continuous improvement in a box. The equivalent of a median 16-point Net Promoter Score jump every year, with some IT teams increasing the equivalent of 50 to 60 points. The average enterprise employee loses 2 weeks of productivity due to IT. Traditional feedback tools take even more of their time asking questions that don't drill into the root cause of their frustration. QSTAC's unique Pulse tool turns 30 seconds of your employee's time into a clear, actionable articulation of what the business needs from IT, an accurate baseline to tell IT teams where they stand against teams at other companies, and clear benchmarks that align with business impact and experience. You can start using QSTAC the same day you sign up and have your first baseline and readout within a week. Interested in learning more? Book a demo or reach out to Ben at QSTAC.com